Okay guys, let's get straight into it. We are looking on the Bitcoin chart and the monthly, and as we can see, as we've been speaking on every video this week, we are coming into this support. This is obviously quite a strong support. This is a really high time frame, and we do have some support levels. It's just finding where exactly is the bottom going to be in on this move down. So I'm going to keep this really simple and a really short video. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. We're going to go down. I've got my levels that I'm trading from, which is the weekly above us and the daily support below us. This is where we're at. This is what I'm looking at. Resistance, we are right at resistance. I have just taken a short position and I'll explain that in a second, and in fact we'll do that now. So what I was looking at is this pattern. I am expecting us to drop a little bit lower than we are now, and we have a butterfly pattern here which gives us the retracement that we have just made up into the 786. I've took the short off the 786, hoping for this move now to come down around the 28,750 price. That is my target. Why is that my target? Well, sorry, I'll just show you that. That was target 1, not target 2. Reason being, if I just put on the high time frame, Fibonacci 618 is sitting. If we just zoom out, it is sitting. Let me just have to take that off a second. It's sitting right here, right below this daily, and it's been tested here and virtually tested here. So I'm thinking another test here. That's the way I'm playing it at the minute. There's no guarantees this will hold, but I just feel that a wick down, I'm hopefully what we would call a swing failure pattern. And what I mean by that would be people thinking the lows in here, and what we will do is we'll get a well, let's say we have the resistance line, we want to come down, take the liquidity down here, back up before we get any move. That is what I'm looking for before I would switch into a long position. And right now, it's just a matter of trading these levels, making a plan, not getting panicked, not getting scared, only trading from the levels I've got. As in, for instance, the trade that I've taken from here, my stop loss is up here. So if it gets back up here, I'm stopped out. No problem with that. We don't win every trade, but what we do there is we look after our bank. Number one important thing, we must look after our bank. But I am currently just taking a short position about 15 minutes ago, hoping for some more downside. And just before I go, because I always forget, I would just like to do this. Go on the weekly, reset the chart, and ask you kindly to please like and subscribe, and I will keep the information coming. Boom. See you later.